So tonight we've been playing with this Geekcraft 7-inch display, which is 1024 by 600. We've got that connected up to there's a display adapter here and a touchscreen adapter, which is going over to our little Raspberry Pi, which is in turn controlling our Creality CR10-S. So up until now what we've had is we've got the Creality CR10-S here, and then we've got this awesome Octoprint open source software on the little box. And that gives us a web server application that we can use to remote in and control the printer and upload files remotely for printing and home and change filament, all that sort of stuff. So that's really good. But what we haven't had is, sometimes you want to do stuff locally, like change temperature and so on and so forth. And this little touchscreen UI here is really hard and painful to use, to be honest. So what we've got is we've got this Octoscreen. This is an open source client service that sits there connecting to Octoprint, and it's awesome. It's really easy. So if we have a little look at this, let me look at that. Oh, maybe not so good. Okay, so I'll move it up. There we go. Cool. What else can we do then? So if we go back, and we can look at, say, the temperature. So the tool head is 200, so let's take that down a bit. Down to 140. That is absolutely brilliant. It's really nice. So all we need to do now is we'll get all of this, we've got an enclosure 3D printed up. We'll probably mount on the top round here somewhere, a little bit like Matt's. He's got a similar kind of thing going on his Ender 3 with a smaller form factor display. And that's really good. That's a good night's work. Cool.